Thank you to all of our sponsors for making our Computex 2023 coverage possible. Hey guys, we're at Computex 2023 and we're here with Ducky, who are going to show us, I guess, a new range of keyboards that they're bringing out. It's called Project D, is that right?
Yeah, it is all right.
Okay, so you've got one model in the range. Firstly, what is the range all about? What is Project D?
Okay, so Project D is the new brand that Ducky created this year. So we're aiming for offering a premium build keyboard just for the DIY enthusiasts. So we offer, the product I have right here is called Outlaw 65. So it's a 65 form factor. So it's a CNC aluminum casing. We offer varieties of materials that you can change to alter the typing texture to your personal preference. So the materials that we're offering will be from FR4, Poem, PC, and also iron plates. And also on the bottom casing, we offer metal casing and of course the carbon fiber as well. Yep. So it's a gas king mount, hot swap, south facing, you know, everything that you can imagine you see in the DIY markets, it's all on here.
Okay, and this is the first model, the Outlaw, in the Project D range. I'm guessing there is going to be more models coming to that range that are going to have the same kind of design ethos, right?
Yeah, it is. We'll be offering another layout which will be 75%. Okay. Yeah, so
will that one still be called the Outlaw, but?
That one will have a different name because we have something special specs on it. Yep. So that one won't be called Outlaw.
Okay. Yeah. And we've also got something else over here as well. This is the Mecha?
Yes, this is Mecha. So Mecha is short for mechanics. Yep. All right, so what's so special about this guy is that we use 3 layers of the special paint yep. just to create a radiant vibe on the finish. So it depends on the light reflection on the keyboard. Okay. It gives you a different kinds of vibe on the color. So you can see it's a purple on here, it's a blue on here. Yep. So yep. It's really, really special on this one.
So similar to what we've seen on cars, you get sort of like iridescent paint where, yeah, depending on the light, it can change. I mean, they look absolutely amazing. I don't even know if the camera is going to do it justice, but just to see, it looks amazing. How many different colors are there going to be, or is it kind of endless, really?
Oh, so right now we are thinking about releasing around 5 to 6 colors. Okay. But those colors will still be under discussion by the team. See if these paints will, comes out easily, because this takes a lot of effort and yep. Techniques to create a perfect finish on the casing. Okay. Yeah. So for this guy, we're aiming to release at 2024 Q1. Yep. And for the Project D, we're aiming to release at 2023 Q3 this year. Okay. Yeah. And so
any word on pricing for both of these?
The MSRP is not set yet, but the internal discussion that I heard will be around $299 to $399 USD. Yeah. Yep.
Okay. Cool. So yeah, lots of cool stuff here at Ducky. Really excited to see when these do hit the market, what the reception's going to be. I'm pretty sure it's going to be really awesome. Well received. Yeah. I mean, the quality on these, you guys can't see it on camera, but they are absolutely amazing. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. We will have a lot more Computex 2023 coverage. Thanks to Ducky, and we'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.